I don't know. Obviously, I don't let people use Nadia as their mortgage broker and that, because yeah, no one's just gonna have access to my woman like that. Not in that way, but nah. But you could just go LNC. Yeah, just type in mortgage broker. Nadia says she's too busy anyway. Just type in mortgage brokers, man. They can all provide you a good service and that. Listen, let me tell you something about these mortgage brokers, yeah? They all think they're the best mortgage broker. Oh, I can get the best deals. Whatever, man. They all use mortgage brain. Yeah, that's it. And all they do is they put in, you know, the particulars and that or whatever in it, your circumstances, and it comes up with mortgage lenders that you could get a mortgage or decision in principle with at least. Yeah? Now, obviously, certain mortgage brokers like Nadia will have access to certain lenders that other people won't have access to. And likewise, she won't have access to certain lenders that other people will have access to because of the company that she works for. Brilliant.